Today we're going to put a riser block kit on a 14-inch Delta bandsaw. It's a kit that we bought from CS Machinery off of eBay. You can see the information right there. And over here you can see what comes with the kit and the tools that you need to do the job with. Okay? So first, as always, we unplug the machine to make sure that it's not going to hurt us. And then we open up and we take the blade off. Fold the blade up, set her aside. Okay. Then we're going to take this guard off with the two screws. We'll replace it with the included guard. So we pull this guard off, we set it aside, we're not going to reuse this. And we're going to take this guard off. We're not going to reuse that. And we remove the guide set. Okay. Then we remove the guide rod. And then, when my helper gets back over here, we're going to remove this bolt. Pay no attention to the background noise. We really do know what we're doing. Okay, now for that we used 1 1/8 up top, and we used 1 1/4 on the bottom for the nut. Now these are oftentimes stuck on there, and we'll use a putty knife or a painter's tool to kind of get it started. And then we may go to a screwdriver to kind of pry it. Push up here. Okay, and it should pop right off. Okay, you can set her aside. Okay, so now we're ready to put the riser block on. As you can see, we have holes at the bottom that fit these pins, and we have pins at the top that'll go back in the top assembly. We line those up. And we'll give her a little tap on.
Sometimes when you run it that way, they blow out.
That's good. Then we'll get our bolt ready. Alright, we're trying to put the top back on now. And we got our helper holding it on while we fish our bolt in. Sometimes it can be a little hard finding that hole that's in there, but you'll eventually find it. Okay. And we get our nut started. Okay, the nut's started, and I'm going to run it up tight as I can.